How to find mutual friends on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find mutual friends on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before heading on straight to the Instagram app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that Instagram is up to date. If not, just click on update so that you will have the latest features. If you have made sure of that, just head on and open Instagram right here. And from your home page, or if you're from any other page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner so that you will be in your profile page. After that, the first thing that you're going to click on is this little person icon with a plus button beside edit profile. Just click on that and that will open up the discover people page. Just click on see all to see the suggested accounts of Instagram that you can follow. Also, once you scroll down through this page, you can see the section that says most mutual connections. So this is where you can basically find accounts that have the mutual connections. So under their names, you can see followed by a certain account plus number of accounts that follow them as well that are your friends on Instagram. So the next way to check mutual friends aside from that is to go to the explore page by clicking on this magnifying glass icon at the bottom part of the screen and click on the search bar. So for example, I'm going to search for a certain account, and if you have mutual friends with that person, you should see followed by certain accounts right at their bio. So that is how you can basically find mutual friends on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.